scratching your face. Oh. Hi.
He's got hiccups like his mom.
They never stop. What do you see? Look at your little hands. Hi. Hi, Nicole. You're so cute. Oh, that was a big one. Oh, sweet stuff. Whoopsies. Whoopsies.
These little feet. Like, these just melt your heart.
Mwah. Who's touching your toes, huh?
I think his feet are big.
I have no idea. They look big.
I think so. What do you see? What do you see? Are you looking at me? No, now you're looking above me. Did you get them all? Is that it?
Nope.
They're there. I thought they were gone.
Man, look at this one. Will he fit in that?